Hello again and welcome to this week's episode of Addvance Maths. Today we're going to be looking at Pythagoras Theorem. Now, Pythagoras Theorem is one of the most famous theorems in all of maths. And it was discovered in ancient Greece a long time ago by this very clever man called Pythagoras. Okay, so what does it say? It says for a right-angled triangle like this, your label the sides like this, where A, B, and C are the lengths of the triangle's sides, and C is always labelled as the longest side. It's always opposite the right angle. These numbers form the equation A squared plus B squared equals C squared, and that's true for every single right angled triangle you will ever see. Okay, and when you're doing this in the exam, you have to remember that C is the longest side, opposite the right angle. A and B are the two shorter sides. Okay, let's look at an example. So here we have an example of a triangle. We have lengths 3 and 4, and we have to find the longest length. So we know that the longest length is C, and we put these numbers into the equation. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. We simplify. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. We add them together. We get 25 equals C squared. Now, to get rid of that squared, we need to look at a calculator and we need to use the square root symbol over here. Okay, so we square root 25 and we get 5 centimeters is C. And we've done. We've found what C is. Let's see that again with a more complicated triangle. So here we've got a triangle that's got 7 centimeters here and 13 centimeters here. Notice the 13 centimeters is the longest side, and that's C. So we put those numbers into the equation, and we get 7 squared plus B squared equals 13 squared. Simplify, 49 plus B squared equals 169. We rearrange to get 49 on the other side, so we take 49 off both sides, and we get B squared equals 120. We square root using that square root button on the calculator again. And we get B is 10.95 centimeters. Okay. There's some practice here for you to try. You can pause the video now, and when you're ready, I'll reveal the answers in 3, 2, 1. Okay. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, please ask as well in the comments, or you can email me in my email in the description. Okay? Have a good day and good luck with your exams.